First of all, hello all. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Vishnu Priyani and in today's video, we are going to start from the very basics of C programming. We'll understand what C is, look at the structure of a C program and learn about variables, constants and data types. So let's begin. Introduction to C programming from basics to data types. This is what we're going to learn today. So, what is C programming? C is one of the oldest, most powerful programming languages. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1970s at Bell Labs. It's fast, efficient, and forms the base for many modern languages like C, Java, and Python. You all must have been through this question: why to learn C? Learning C gives you a strong foundation for all other programming languages. You'll understand how memory works, how variables are stored, and how logic is built step by step. Okay, let's go through our very first topic: structure of a C program. Every C program follows this structure. First, we include header files like stdio.h. They contain useful functions. Then we have the main function. This is where execution starts. Finally, the printf statements display output on the screen. Okay, let's get to our next topic: tokens in C. Tokens are the smallest elements in a C program. There are six types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators, and special symbols. You'll get to know where to use these tokens if you practice more and more, and how are they being used in programming. Don't worry, I'll be explaining cut and short how to use these tokens in C programming and how to write a code snippet. But for now, let's move to the next topic: variables. Variables. Variables are used to store data in cut and short. For example, int age is equals to 20. Age stores the integer value 20. Float height is equals to 5.9. Height stores 5.9. Char grade is equals to A. Grade stores the letter A. Rules for naming variables. Now, don't go naming your variables like my age or to data. That won't work at all. Remember, variables must start with a letter or underscore and can't contain any spaces. Also, C is a case sensitive, so the word age with capital letter A and the word age with small letter a are two different variables. Our next topic is constants. Constants are like lock boxes. Once you set a value, you can't change it. For example, if pi is 3.14, it'll stay that way forever. You can use hash define or const to create constants in your program. Finally, our last topic: data types in C. Data types tell C what kind of data you're working with. For example, whole numbers use int, decimal numbers use float, and single characters use char. So, when you declare a variable, you're basically telling C, hey, this box will hold this type of value. Finally, we are at the last. Before we wind up the video, let us see an example program using variables and data types. Here's a small program to find the area of a circle. See how we use pi as a constant and declared variables for radius and area. When you run it, it prints the area on screen. Pretty cool, right? Try changing the radius and see how the output changes too. And that's it for today's video. You've now learned the basics of C programming, from what it is to how it's structured to variables, constants, and data types. In the next video, we'll talk about operators in C. That's where we actually start doing some fun calculations. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.